Minister of Agriculture Noel Holder is urging farmers to invest in drone technology. Here's more.
Drones are remotely piloted aircrafts. They can be beneficial to the agricultural sector, particularly farmers, through crop field scanning with compact multispectral imaging sensors, GPS map creation through onboard cameras, heavy payload transportation, and livestock monitoring with thermal imaging. According to an article in the Guyana Chronicle July 3rd edition, Minister Holder is quoted as saying that the drone technology in agriculture can be extremely useful in improving farmers' productivity. He said, and I quote, "Our current system of agronomic practices in many sectors is not very efficient given the growing demand of certain commodities. For example, in the rice industry, persons with a smaller cultivation are still manually applying insecticides and fertilizers." End quote. The Agri-Minister also noted that many farmers do not have the correct information about their cultivation size, but drones can help in that sense. He said, and I quote, "Drones have the ability to conduct surveys and tell farmers exactly how many acres are under cultivation. With this information, farmers would know how many bags of fertilizer are needed, how many seeds are needed, etc. So overall, the use of drones in agriculture is welcomed and it can definitely improve the sector." End quote. Additionally, according to the information gathered from the Food and Agriculture Organization's publication titled Agriculture in Action, Drones for Agriculture, it stated that the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as drones, have great potential to support and address some of the most pressing problems faced by agriculture in terms of access to actionable real-time quality data. The publication also noted a researcher's prediction that the agriculture sector will be the second largest user of drones in the world in the next 5 years. It noted too that the challenges faced by agriculture from climate change alone are enormous, and the need for farming communities to adapt and become resilient is key to feeding the world's growing population. For InfoHub, Stefan Gabriel.